In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently archive a note in Google Keep. Archiving is a great way to organize your notes without permanently deleting them, allowing you to declutter your main interface while still keeping all your important information just a few clicks away when you need it. Let's dive right in with the first step. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Google Keep. You can simply type Google Keep into your search bar and click on the first link or directly go to the Google Keep website. Once you're on the Google Keep homepage, you'll be greeted by a colorful array of notes you have previously created. Google Keep is a handy tool for note-taking and is excellent for managing your thoughts, to-do lists, and other important information in a visually appealing manner. Now that we're on the Google Keep homepage, your task is to find the specific note that you would like to archive. This might be a note you no longer need immediate access to, but still want to retain for future reference. Perhaps it's a completed project note or a list of items you've already dealt with. If you have several notes, you might find it helpful to use the search function at the top of the page. Just type in keywords related to your note, and Google Keep will filter out the relevant options for you. Once you've located the note, take a look at the simple interface that Google Keep offers. Alongside your note, you'll notice a few icons representing different actions you can take. To archive your note, simply look for the Archive button. It's usually represented by a small box icon with a downward arrow, indicating the action of moving something out of your main view. Click this button, and your note will disappear from the main interface and be stored safely in the Archive section. This step is straightforward, and it's as simple as a click. Your note is now archived, and it's important to know that you can always access it later. Google Keep's archiving option is non-destructive, meaning it holds onto your information until you decide to bring it back to the main list, making it a useful feature for those who like to keep their notes organized and tidy. Once you've clicked Archive, you're done. Congratulations! Your note has been successfully moved to the Archive. Now your Google Keep dashboard will appear a little cleaner, but rest assured that your archived note is just as easily retrievable in the future. To view archived notes at any time, simply navigate to the menu on the left side of your screen and select the Archive option. From there, you can manage all your archived notes, unarchive them if needed, or just browse through them whenever you wish. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to archive notes in Google Keep. This feature will help you maintain an organized and efficient workspace, making it easier to focus on the notes that matter most.